Hey there, Greg Marchand here, 0 to 60, where we teach business management and service counter selling skills in as little time as I can get it all out of my mouth. Leadership qualities for successful shop management. Here's the thing, I mentioned this in another video, but you need to work yourself out of a job. That is really your number one job. You want to be a leader, don't be working in the shop, don't be working on the service counter. Don't elbow me out of the way and show me a better way of writing a repair order. Your number one job as shop owner is to ensure car count. And your number two job is to ensure you've got enough profits that can go to an awesome place to work, awesome compensation packages, and the latest in tools and equipment, as well as the latest in marketing. So what are those leadership qualities? Include people, all right? Include other employees, include your employees, and other business associates in problem solving. Ask them, if you were me, how would you solve this? What would you like to see included? One I ran into recently, new shop owner, new software to do digital vehicle inspections, super excited, was creating all the inspections by himself, and the suggestion was, hey, why don't you incorporate all your technicians in this? Because if you start to incorporate others in the solution, others in the building of things like this, in this case, courtesy inspections, then you have buy-in. And once you have buy-in, you've got more chances of success and you can hold people accountable. So you can't just lead by example, but you've got to lead with consistency. You've got to be inclusive when it comes to problem solving, and you've got to show everybody you're doing your job by working on the business, not in the business. Set an example, learn best practices when it comes to management, take classes, incorporate what you learn, keep up the great work, and never, ever, ever stop learning.